Now that you've had your DEH-7300BT professionally installed, let's walk through the initial setup menu.
After you've had your DEH-7300BT professionally installed, you'll want to go through some of the initial setup functions. Here's how you get there. You want power to the radio, but turn the radio off, so press and hold the source button for a couple of seconds till it turns off. Now, press and hold the multi-command button for a couple of seconds and we'll enter into the initial setup menu. Here we can set the clock, or we can turn the button to the right and we have auxiliary on. If we press the multi-command button in, we'll turn auxiliary off. That will remove auxiliary from our source list. We'll turn it back on for now. We'll switch over to USB. USB can be switched on or off, and this will change it so that when I plug in my iPhone or my iPod, the system will automatically switch to the USB source and start to play if USB is selected as on. If USB is selected as off, when you plug in your iPod or your iPhone, you'll have to select that source from the list. So now let's turn the dial and go to the subwoofer control menu. Press the enter and we'll enter into the subwoofer control menu. Here, our rear speakers are set to full range. If I press the button one time, we'll move over and change from full range to subwoofer output on the rear speakers. I'm going to press that button one more time, come back to my rear speaker setting and change it to the RCA output setting. Here, RCA output is set to rear full range, or I can change that to the rear being subwoofer output. I'll press the back button and switch over to demo mode. Some retailers like to use demonstration mode while the radio is in their demonstration board. Most people like to turn the demonstration mode off when this product is installed in their car. Next, we have our scroll setting. Scroll setting is for text that will roll across the screen when you're playing an MP3 or WMA or something from your iPod or RDS information that's on the screen. To set scrolling on or off, just press the button. There are three more items here on the initial setup menu. First, it's Bluetooth clear, version information, and software update. Those three are about Bluetooth, and we'll talk about those in a specific video.